Hi, I introduce myself. My name is K. Obireddy. My admission number is 1900180572. I am studying BTech first year at JNTU Anantapuram. My branch is Computer Science and Engineering. My topic is about radix sort. First of all, sorting. Sorting is a process of ordering individual elements of a list according to their rank, either in ascending or descending order. Radix sort. Radix sort is one of the sorting algorithms used to sort a list of integers in order. In radix sort algorithm, a list of integer numbers will be sorted based on the digits of individual numbers. Sorting is performed from least significant digit to the most significant digit. Radix sort algorithm requires the number of passes which are equal to the number of digits present in the largest number among the list of numbers. For example, if the largest number is a 4-digit number, then that, that list is sorted with 4 passes. This is about radix sort. Steps involved in radix sort. The radix sort algorithm is performed using the following steps. Step 1. Define 10 queues, each representing a bucket for each digit from 0 to 9. Step 2. Consider the least significant digit of each number in the list which is to be sorted. Step 3. Insert each number into their respective queue based on the least significant digit. Step 4. Group all the numbers from Q2 0 to Q9 in the order they have inserted into their respective queues. Step 5. Repeat from step 3 based on the next least significant digit. Step 6. Repeat from step 2 until all the numbers are grouped based on the most significant digit. Now, consider the following list of unsorted integer numbers. We have some numbers 82, 901, 100, 12, 150, 77, 55, and 23. Step 1. Define 10 queues. Each represents a bucket from digit 0 to 9. We have Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 up to so on Q9. Step 2. Insert all the numbers of the list into respective queue based on the least significant digit of every number. In this, the least significant digit represents one's placed digit. Means example from 901 1 that is present in the ones place. Now group all the numbers from Q0 to Q9 in the order they have inserted and consider the list for next step as input list. Here, coming to step 3, insert all the numbers of the list into respective queue based on the next least significant digit of every number. Here, the least significant digit means the digit placed in the tens place. In step 2, the least significant digit is in ones place. Here, it is in tens place. Now, we can see in Q1 we are inserting 901 and 100. Means here in 901 and in 100 the 0 is in tens place. That's why we put 901 and 100 in Q0 and 12 in Q1. Next 23 in Q2. Group all the numbers from Q0 to Q9 in the order they have inserted and consider the list for next step as input list. We taking now the order is 100, 901, 12, 23, 150, 55, 77 and 82. Now coming to step 4, insert all the numbers of the list into respective queue based on the next least significant digit of every number. Here in step 4, the least significant digit is present in hundreds place. In step 2, the least significant digit is in ones place. In step 3, the least significant digit is in tens place. Here in step 4, the least significant digit is in hundreds place. Now group all the numbers from Q0 to Q9 in the order they have inserted and consider the list for next step as input list. The list is sorted. List got sorted in increasing order. Okay, these are the steps involved in radix sort. Algorithm for radix sort. Algorithm. It is step-by-step procedure. It has a step of instructions to perform a specific task. This algorithm used for sort in ascending order. Here is the program to perform radix sort. It is written in C language. Time complexity. Time complexity of an algorithm is the total amount of time required by an algorithm to complete its execution. Then it is called time complexity of that algorithm. There are three types of time complexities: worst case complexity, best case complexity, and average case complexity. The Time complexity of radix sort. To sort an unsorted list with n numbers of element, radix sort algorithm needs the following complexities. The worst case complexity of radix sort is O of n. The best case complexity of radix sort is O of n. The average case complexity of radix sort is O of n.